Hello everyone, it's Kay here, and I'm here with a different share this time. I've had my beads and my sewing needle out and wanted to share what I've just put into my little Kay's Beaded Bling on Facebook, my little selling page, just in case there's anyone out there that would be interested in this set. It is actually hematite. Now, I don't know, for non-beaders, it's a kind of iron that's been electroplated, but it is supposed and said to reduce negativity at a personal level when it's worn, and it also helps infuse energy. Now, I don't know how much of this is right, but it's actually on the internet. If you just search hematite as a standalone, then you get that it's used in Reiki and in several crystal healing scenarios. It's all part and parcel of that particular thing, whether it's something that you're interested in or not, whether it's something you believe in or not. The fact that it is documented, you know, this is what I want to say about the hematite. It also helps you stay grounded, apparently, in difficult situations. So if you're a nervy sort, or if you find things new and out of the ordinary, challenging, then hematite is supposed to assist the system with those kind of things. It's also the zodiac stone for Aries and Aquarius. Well, I'm an Aquarian, but like I say, I don't know how much of it is real, how much of it is just what other people have contributed to on the internet. But as I say, if you're interested, do have a look. It is Hematite, hematite. Now, this is a pack kit that I purchased from a company in the UK, Totally Beads, and they are at www.totallybeads.co.uk. Been dealing with them for many years, and occasionally I see a kit that they've put together or some beads, and I will purchase because I like what it is I have in front of me. And this set has earrings, as I'm sure you can see, pierced ears with two of the gold coloured hematite electroplating on it, and this rather lovely crystal drop, which makes a beautiful, very tasteful set. All the little 3mm beads on the outside here are also electroplated hematite, which puts them very much in the forefront of this particular project. There's also the hematite in the earrings, albeit just the one little separator from the base, and then the drops. It's actually almost 20 inches in length, and I've put on, this isn't the clasp that came with the kit, I didn't like that one very much, but I've put it on with this gold coloured, it's not gold in actuality, but gold coloured metal, and it's a toggle closure, so you just thread one end of the toggle through, it sits across the loop like so, and then to take it off again you just pull it through the hole. So it's a lovely, simple, easy clasp, which, you know, often helps if you have issues with your hands. The seed beads themselves are size 11s and 15s, and those are they're called iris, and it's iris green, so it's blues, it's pinks, and obviously next to the hematite it changes colour again, and then on the peak of each of the little strands of beads is a bronze size 15. I don't know if I can bring it in closer for you without it blurring. Well, you can just about make it out. This is the size 15, and that's a metallic seed bead. But all of these beads have been hand sewn, every single one of them, into a 20-inch rope, including the clasps. So it is quite a significant piece, and because of the metal element, it's actually quite weighty. You really do feel that you've got it on, if that makes sense. And then the earrings, again, because it's hematite, they do change colour in given light. You can have a gold affair, oops, I've lost you, there we are, or a grey, and then you turn it over and there's more gold again. So they are very, very beautiful insofar as they change colour with the elements and so on that you're actually near, which is also good. So if you were at a nicely lighted meal or something like that, then they would obviously show up in a very, very good light. So I just wanted to bring this on to share with you. I've not done anything very much in my beady shop, not since I did the toggles and clasps that little time ago. So I thought it was time I added something. I don't know if that's going to focus. Oh, here we go. I thought it was time that I added something of my beadwork into the mix again. I do this periodically. It gives me a rest from the paper craft, and, you know, clearly just keeps the interest going. I just like to have something to do, and if it's pretty and luscious, then that makes my day, and I just enjoy the process, really. So thank you for sharing this time with me. I'll go out again so that you can see it, and I think probably lift it up to the camera so that you can see it in all its glory. There's a lovely picture on my Facebook page if you should be interested, and again, you message me there if it's something that you would like in your life, and we make things work from the page. So I'll thank you once again for sharing this time with me and for putting up with my little changes in what I'm doing. But I think it's important to have lots of things that you can share with people. So thank you once again. Take care, everyone. Happy crafting. Bye bye for now.